Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, for this video I'm going to show you how to spin 3 strands of yarn. Okay, I've been knitting these shrugs, boleras, and I noticed 1 strand is not enough. I tried 2 strand and I noticed the 3 strand works way better. I know I'm going to use lots of yarn, but there's no other choice. If you have a spinning wheel or a e-spin, anything like this would definitely help, because I've been knitting with 3 strands of yarn, and what I'm noticing is I'm losing one of the strands while I'm knitting, so I have to go back, pick up that stitch. It's a hassle. So I thought this would be perfect. I've been 2-plying. Okay, need that twist. Okay, here it is. Can you see? I don't want it that tight, so I want it loosely. It's a little bit hard to see. Here we go. So I want to make it loose, not that tight. Okay, can you see the hair on the yarn? Yeah, see, it's curling up. I don't want it that loose, so I'll let it go, and I will see. So this is how you can spin the yarn that you have, because knitting together, it's not easy, because if you lose 1 strand, you have to, and if you miss it, that's the thing, especially if you're working on a commission work, it's really not good. We don't want any loose ends, right? So this is a little bit loose, so I will continue spinning. So I just wanted to come and say hello, and yeah, you can use this technique, but try to spin it loosely, not this loose, but enough so enough for the yarn to not when you're knitting. So these are all together, and 3, like I'm using 3 strand. So I want to try this and see the end result, and if you have any comments, please let me know. Just, yeah, and then you fill the bobbin just like this. See, this is perfect. This is what I was aiming for. I don't want it that loose, and I don't want it tight. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful, just to give you an idea how you can apply these yarn using a spinning wheel. If you don't have it, too bad, you can't do anything. But yeah, some people do have spinning wheels, and yeah, I hope this video is helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.